go.
Right.
Go.
Right. I need a leash. Are you recording?
Yeah. What? Look at my leg. Look at my little stomach.
My dog's gonna go into water.
Your dog's gonna freak out.
My dog's gonna kill me when I get home. Coco, come.
She doesn't want you in.
Oh no, no.
She's the kind of dog that's supposed to go in water.
I know, she's a water dog. She's just Coco, so. Come on. She looks so black when she's wet. Alright, come on. Alright.
I'm getting it now. I'll get her face. Okay, let her out now. She's struggling so much. She doesn't know how to swim. Come on, Coco! Come on, Coco! Come on, Coco! Come on! She like bulldozes over you. Where's she going? Coco, the steps are right there. Let her out, Gail. She's tired. She won't turn back around. Wait, now come here and videotape London, how graceful she is. Okay.
Yay, Coco! Alright, so this is compared to her dog, London, who lives here and has her own pool and gets to practice every day.
London.
And my dog's first time she's ever been in the water.
Come here. Come here. London. Come. London. London. London, come. 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 London, come here. Come here. Come. Come. Good girl. Come. Come. Come here. Come on. Come. Come here. Come here, London. Come on. Good girl. Come. 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 Come here. Come here. Come. Come. Come here. London, come. London, come. Come on. Come. Come.
Show off. Show off.
Come. Look at her tail wagging. Look at your tail wagging. Or no. London, come. London. I'm trying to pick you up. London, want to get on the surfboard? Do what Coco did.
Attempt to get on it. She's like, no.
London, come. London. Come here. Come. Come on. Come on, London. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, go. 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 Go as fast as you can. Go.
Aw.
She's so good at it. And then Coco. Okay, so this is Coco.
That's definitely Coco.
London.
You need to take after London, dog.